All right, Sheldon, a big week for you individually in your first year with Edinboro, coming in, having some career high point totals, especially from downtown. How have you been feeling in these first few games, despite the wins or losses? How have you felt with your individual performance?
I feel good. I feel like I could do a lot better, but I'm gonna take it slow and take it one game at a time, and I think I'll get better as the season goes on.
One game that you have already taken in is the game against Penn State DuBois. A lot of records for the team, both with the point total and all around, just the overall performance from the team. You as well had a very great performance for your career, 16 points in that game. How did you feel you performed in that game, which was a outstanding win for the team?
I feel like I performed good. As a team, I think we performed well too, coming off a loss. We needed to get a good win, and so we can get our confidence back up. But overall, it was good.
Another game you had was a non-conference game against Wheeling Jesuit down in Wheeling, West Virginia. Unfortunately, the team suffered a 9-point loss in that one, but you had over 20 points in that game, which earned you Scott of the Week for Edinboro University this week. With those two performances, the 16.1 and over 20, I believe it was 24 points on Sunday. Is that the player you want to be for this Edinboro men's basketball team?
Yes, I want to be like a good player that comes off the bench, brings energy, brings scoring. But fortunately, we lost the Wellington game, so I think we should do better. Feel me? We've been having good practices, and we're really focused on the Slippery Rock game on Wednesday.
For you individually, from downtown, you take those shots. You started it off with the season opener against Penn State Greater Allegheny. You were feeling it from beyond the three-point line, and you've continued that thus far. Is that really a point of strength you feel in your game, is your touch from beyond the arc?
Yes. I feel like I've been shooting since high school, and that's probably been my strength since high school.
As a team, you touched on the strong practices. You just concluded one tonight in preparation to get back into some PSAC games here before the finals week and winter break in the season. What do you feel the team needs to do? A lot of buzz around this team coming off the preseason victory over a Division I team. Some wins early on here in the season, especially a big one at Seton Hill in your PSAC opener. What needs to happen for this team to continue that success as we go deeper and deeper in this season?
I think we just need to focus more, come together, and be a family. I think we'll play better if we become a family and just stay focused.